Video production is changing fast. Creators are now using AI to make high-quality videos in less time, but most AI tools still struggle with complex scenes and realistic human characters. That's where a tool called Magic Light stands out. It lets you create cinematic videos from just text, complete with characters, animations, voiceovers, and smooth storytelling. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Magic Light step by step, so you can start making your own AI-generated videos today. To begin using Magic Light, users should first navigate to the platform's official website. A convenient link is provided in the video description for quick access. For new users, creating an account is required, while returning users can simply log in with their existing credentials. Once logged in, users will land on the main dashboard. From here, they can begin the video creation process by selecting the option to generate a new AI video. Magic Light offers flexibility by allowing users to either upload their own story in the form of a short script, paragraph, or text-based idea, or choose to let the platform generate a story automatically using built-in AI assistance. For users who may not have a script ready, Magic Light provides several sample story ideas that can be used as a starting point. These samples are helpful for getting familiar with how the platform structures content and sets up scenes. Whether the goal is to create a short film, explainer video, or creative storytelling project, Magic Light is designed to make the initial setup quick and user-friendly. After uploading or selecting a story, the next step involves configuring basic video preferences to match the creator's specific needs. Magic Light will prompt users to start by choosing the desired video length. This can be adjusted depending on the depth and complexity of the story. Following that, users will choose the language for the character's dialogue. Magic Light supports multiple languages, allowing for broader audience reach. Next, users must select the aspect ratio for the video, a key setting that depends on where the final video will be published. For example, a horizontal ratio works well for YouTube, while vertical or square formats are better suited for Instagram Reels or TikTok. On the left side of the screen, users will also see a list of visual styles available. Each style offers a different look and feel. Some are more realistic, while others lean towards animation or artistic illustration. The chosen style will define the tone of the entire video, so it's important to pick one that aligns with the creator's vision. Once all preferences have been configured, clicking the Next button will take users to the scene-building phase. At this stage, Magic Light automatically analyzes the story and breaks it down into multiple visual scenes. These scenes are structured to reflect the different parts of the narrative, such as the introduction, development, climax, and conclusion. For example, if a story follows a character through a journey with several events, each major event may be converted into a separate scene. In one test case, the platform generated 17 distinct scenes based on a single uploaded script. Users can review each scene and make adjustments as needed. Unnecessary scenes can be deleted, and the order of the scenes can be rearranged to better match the creator's intended story flow. This offers a high level of control and customization. It's important to ensure that the uploaded text or story remains under the 12,000 character limit, as exceeding this may lead to errors or incomplete processing. Once the scenes are organized and finalized, users can click the Next button to move forward to the character customization section, where they'll assign characters to each part of the story. At this stage in the Magic Light video creation process, users will be guided through customizing the characters who will appear throughout their story. Magic Light uses AI to automatically detect character names directly from the uploaded script or text input. Once those names are identified, the platform prompts users to define how each character should visually appear in the video. To customize a character, users can simply click on the character's name, which opens up a comprehensive image library. Within this library, filters are available at the top of the screen to help refine the search. Users can narrow down character options based on attributes such as age, gender, or even the specific character name. After browsing through the available visuals, users can select the image that best fits their creative vision for that character's personality and role in the story. In addition to visual appearance, users can customize each character's voice. On the left-hand side of the screen, the interface allows selection of voice options that align with the character's age range and gender. This ensures consistency between the visual and audio aspects of the character. Once all customizations have been finalized, users should click the Confirm button to save their changes and move forward in the workflow. In cases where the default character options do not meet a user's creative needs, Magic Light provides the ability to build entirely custom characters from scratch. To do this, users can click on the Create button, which opens a form for entering detailed character information. Users are required to input the character's name, choose the appropriate gender and age, and select a category that best describes the character's role. For instance, categories might include warrior, student, teacher, or other roles relevant to the story. To further personalize the appearance, users can describe unique traits such as specific clothing styles, hairstyles, facial expressions, or the overall mood or attitude of the character. The more detailed and descriptive the inputs, the more accurate and visually compelling the generated result will be. For those who already have a visual reference in mind, the platform also supports image uploads. Users can upload an image to help guide the AI in creating a character that closely resembles their intended look. Once satisfied with the custom character setup, clicking Confirm will finalize the creation and include the character in the project. After characters are customized and assigned, the next phase involves converting the written scenes into visual content. Magic Light automatically takes the story, scene structure, and character information and generates one image per scene. These images are created based on the provided prompts and character involvement, ensuring that the visual representation aligns with the narrative. Each scene image will clearly show which characters are present and which prompts were used for that particular frame. This makes it easy for users to review and assess the accuracy of each visual output. If any of the generated images do not meet expectations or appear off in terms of style, composition, or detail, users can simply click the Regenerate button. The regeneration process creates a new version of the image without using up any additional tokens, making it risk-free to try different looks. Once all the scene images are reviewed and approved, the next step is to click the Animate button, which begins the process of turning static visuals into animated sequences. To bring the scenes to life, users are presented with 4 animation methods. Each option offers a slightly different visual style and motion effect. From practical experience and user feedback, Helu and Animate Pro tend to deliver the most professional-looking animation results, especially for stories with detailed characters or complex environments. After selecting the desired animation method, the user must confirm the choice to proceed. Before initiating the rendering process, it's recommended to enable the AI Enhance option. This feature improves visual quality and sharpness, especially in scenes that require higher detail. Rendering animations may take a few seconds, depending on the length and complexity of the scenes. It's important to be patient during this step. If the animation result is not satisfactory, users have the option to repeat this process and try different methods or visual settings until the final video meets their expectations. Once your animation is complete, it's time to move on to the finishing touches, adding subtitles and background music. These elements can significantly enhance the overall feel and professionalism of your video. To begin with, you can choose from 6 different subtitle styles that are available within the platform. Each style is designed to suit various types of content. Whether you're going for a fun, casual vibe or more professional, polished look, take a moment to preview each option and select the one that best complements the tone and style of your animation. Next, it's time to consider your background music. You have the flexibility to choose a track from the built-in audio library, which includes a wide range of genres and moods to match your message. Whether you're aiming for something upbeat, mellow, dramatic, or inspirational, there's likely a track that fits your needs. If you prefer a more focused and minimalistic approach, you also have the option to go with no music at all, relying solely on voice narration to convey your message. You can also adjust the volume levels of the background music, ensuring it blends smoothly without overpowering the character voices or narration. This is especially important if your video includes spoken dialogue or voiceovers that need to be clearly heard by the audience. At this stage, you can also select the thumbnail image for your video. This can be taken from any of your existing scenes and will act as the cover image viewers see before clicking to watch. Additionally, you can choose a custom font for the video title that appears on the thumbnail, helping you maintain brand consistency and visual appeal. Once all these final elements are in place, subtitles, music, volume settings, thumbnail, and font choices, your video is ready for the last step, rendering. Click the Render button, sit back, and let the software do its magic. Adding subtitles and music might seem like small details, but they play a big role in enhancing your viewer's experience. These finishing touches help clarify your message, set the tone, and add a layer of professionalism that can make your video stand out. With everything in place, your animation is now complete and ready to be shared with the world. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, press the subscribe button, and also drop your thoughts in the comments section.